In a world where every bodybuilder and fitness enthusiast seeks unlimited energy and the ultimate pump, one daring individual embarks on a quest to create the most powerful pre-workout the world has ever seen.
Today, we're attempting to make history with the ultimate pre-workout concoction, one that'll make your muscles explode and your workouts legendary. Now, we all have days when finding the necessary enthusiasm, drive and focus for great workouts can be elusive. Days when even the best store-bought pre-workouts seem to do nothing. And that's why I decided to concoct a pre-workout like no other. And right now, we're going to put it to the test. So it's down the hatch and let's get to the gym. It actually tastes not too bad, which is quite surprising. And by the way, we'll be going through exactly what was in it right after the workout. It's only been 15 minutes, I can already feel it kicking in, so we better get to the gym quick and get this workout underway. I gotta tell you folks, that was even better than I expected. I could easily have done another hour in there. The intensity, the pump, the focus, they were all fantastic. So let's have a rundown of those ingredients. I can now reveal that my mystery cocktail consisted of 11 powerful, legal, healthy compounds. However, there is one thing that may surprise you. And that's the fact that this homemade pre-workout is not a central nervous system stimulant, and it contains zero caffeine. So you can even use it before an evening workout and it won't interfere with your sleep quality. You can of course add caffeine to it if you want, but believe me, after trying this recipe, you'll quickly understand that it's really not necessary. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention that you can find discount codes for each of the ingredients in the video description. But now, let's go through them one by one. The first ingredient is one that will be familiar to most of you, and that's beta-alanine. It's a common ingredient in many store-bought pre-workout supplements, and we're going to be adding a generous 5 grams of Primaforce brand pure powder. Now, the primary effect of beta-alanine is to increase muscle carnosine concentrations, which results in improved performance during high-intensity exercise. Now, at this relatively high dosage, you'll likely briefly experience a facial skin tingling sensation known as paresthesia, but don't worry, it's totally harmless. Next, we're going to add yet another popular pre-workout ingredient, and that's citrulline malate. This compound has several beneficial effects, including increasing ATP production, increasing nitric oxide production, and helping to remove ammonia from the body, which accumulates during intense exercise and contributes to muscle fatigue. I'm using Primaforce brand, and I'm adding 6 grams of pure powder. The next compound I'm adding is found in many sports drinks, and that's taurine. Now, taurine is known to promote mental focus and helps maintain electrolyte balance within cells, ensuring optimal muscle function and preventing cramping. Now, I'm using Life Extension brand here, and I'm adding 1 gram, which just happens to be 1 capsule, and is actually the same amount as you find in a can of Red Bull. Next, I'm adding 5 grams of creatine monohydrate powder from Do Not Age. Now, as I'm sure you're aware, along with protein powder, creatine is the world's most popular sports supplement, and with good reason. Now, rather than explain all the benefits here, I'll just point you in the direction of my creatine video also on this channel, which has already received nearly 500,000 views. The next ingredient I'm adding is HMB from Now Foods at a dosage of 1 gram. Now, HMB is actually a metabolite of the essential amino acid leucine, which plays a significant role in protein synthesis and muscle repair. However, I've included HMB in the formula primarily for its anti-catabolic effects and its ability to speed up recovery between workouts. I just mentioned the amino acid leucine, and that's exactly what we're adding now. 3 grams of Primaforce pure powder to be exact, and we're doing so for its ability to enhance energy production, prevent muscle breakdown, and stimulate muscle protein synthesis. Next, I'm throwing in 2 grams of TMG, which is short for trimethylglycine, and rather confusingly, it's also known as betaine. Studies have shown this supplement to improve muscular strength, power, and endurance. Now, I'm using Do Not Age brand capsules, which are filler free, so I've just split them open and add the pure powder. And if you want to know more about TMG, then check out the various TMG videos also available on this channel. This next one is a bit unusual, however the science behind it's sound, and that's MSM. And I'm going to be adding 3 grams of Doctor's Best brand pure powder. Now, the benefits of this organic sulfur-containing compound include enhancing nutrient absorption, supporting joint health, and pain relief due to its anti-inflammatory effects. Next one I'm adding to the mix is calcium alpha-ketoglutarate. Now, there's already a video on this channel that explains the function of this compound, so I recommend you check that out if you're interested. But for now, very briefly, with regard to exercise performance, it enhances cellular energy production, increases nutrient absorption, and detoxifies ammonia, which can help reduce fatigue and increase endurance. Now, I'm adding 1 gram of Do Not Age brand pure powder taken from 2 filler-free capsules. Second but last supplement I'm adding is centrophenoxine. This nootropic compound is available as a dietary supplement in the US, but may not be available for purchase in some countries, including the UK. Centrophenoxine can provide a mental energy boost, helping users stay focused and motivated throughout their workout. And I'm adding 250 milligrams of pure powder. The very last supplement that's going to the mix is a grape flavoured electrolyte powder, although you can of course choose any flavour you like. Now, this is added for 2 reasons. Firstly, to mask the taste of some of the other ingredients, and secondly, to replace those electrolytes lost due to the sweating that will likely take place during your high intensity workout. Now, I've used Hydration Up from California Gold Nutrition, and just 1 scoop gets the job done nicely here. You can mix the powders together with just water and a spoon. However, I prefer to do it in a blender, as that results in a smoother, less gritty mix. But it's up to you, either way is fine. So there you have it. The world's most powerful homemade pre-workout. Better than anything store-bought, and best of all, it works out much cheaper. Enjoy. And lastly, many thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and catch you again soon.